This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gardenscapes Level 45. This level presents a fun challenge where your primary goal is to locate 5 hidden gnomes. These gnomes are often tucked away beneath different obstacles on the game board. Additionally, you'll need to clear specific barriers, such as boxes and chains, to uncover them and advance. You'll generally have about 22 moves to complete these tasks, so strategic planning is key. To succeed, always look for opportunities to create power-ups. Matching 4 or more pieces will give you bombs or rockets, which are essential for clearing obstacles efficiently. Even better, try to combine 2 power-ups, like a bomb and a rocket, for a much larger explosion that clears a significant portion of the board. A smart move is to focus your initial efforts on the lower part of the field, as this often creates cascading matches. This level requires careful obstacle management. The gnomes are hidden, so you must systematically clear away boxes and chains to uncover them. Some gnomes might be under several layers of obstacles, demanding more focused effort. Utilize your line blasts to clear entire rows or columns and deploy bombs to remove clusters of pieces. Always keep an eye on the gnome locations and plan your moves to clear their path effectively. Every move counts in Gardenscapes Level 45, so begin by analyzing the entire board to spot the best opening moves. A powerful strategy is to charge your Rainbow Blast by setting off multiple power-ups in quick succession. This can clear many pieces at once. Remember, there's no rush. Take a moment to consider your options and choose the match that will have the greatest impact on clearing obstacles and finding those 5 gnomes. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.